On the 17th day of Vlogmas, you can see why they stopped at number 12. In the song, in the original song, 12 Days of Christmas. You can see why they stopped at 12. Because 12 is one syllable, and then you move into 13th, 14th. Seeing Dale unwrap her hair wrap from her advent calendar the other day made me think I should get my hair wrap out. Mine is from Soap and Glory and I've had it for donkey's years. I've stopped using it and I don't know why. I'm using it today and I'm loving it. Outfit of the day today is my Kiss Me Under the Mistletoe nightshirt, which I bought when I was several sizes smaller, and I basically just stretched it into submission as I've gotten fatter over the years. It says Kiss Me Under the Mistletoe, subtle. I'm wearing my sort of 3/4 leggings, and I don't know why I just took my slipper off, because I'm wearing my slippers again. Hurrah! I am also wearing my birthday earrings from Winnie and necklace from Yota. Mixing my metals. Crazy days. First order of business today is to get all the labels on the packages sending to the States because UPS will be here sometime after lunch, maybe a bit earlier because he likes to show up early. And because I don't have any of the special paperwork sticky things to put on the front of parcels, I'm reusing some of these plastic packaging things to keep all the paperwork in, and I'll just sellotape it onto the parcel. I just came downstairs to show you that all the packages are ready to be collected. I've even had another crack at the Versace sneakers, so fingers crossed what I've done there is going to be enough for them to take it. And as I was doing that, this came through the door. I'm just trying to hide details on it, so we're going to open that and see what that's all about. So I've seen who that parcel is from. Maria, you naughty little sausage. I'm just waiting for my mentor to contact me, and I thought I'd have a little play around with the earrings because I put Winnie's earrings in. On this side I've put my diamond hoop back in with this one. I put it in front. On this side I put the diamond hoop in behind. What do you think? Which one do you prefer? In front? Behind? Or should I take those diamond hoops out completely and just wear this one on its own? I quite like having multiple earrings in each hole, though I haven't done it for years and years and years and years and years. It's Friday, party people. I've finished work for the week. Poured myself a gin and tonic. I've copied Dale and I've got a slice of orange in it. And I do not dislike it. I am drinking yesterday's Advent Calendar gin, the Sipsmith, and I have to say, it's pretty darn good with the orange, so we'll pop that down there for a moment. It's been a successful day. My work has gone successfully, yes. The UPS went successfully, better. All the packages are on their way. Everyone should receive their packages on Monday. Keep an eye out for those kids. And we even came to a successful conclusion for the Versace paperwork that needed to be going with the sneaker return. So that was a win. I have deployed my first kitty cat marker in my work notebook. I checked the pressie package that I mentioned yesterday. It was from Dior. It was a perfume and it is a gift for someone, but the extras that came with it, as usual, I chose for us. Like normal, they came in a little Dior bag. This is slightly different from the old one. This is the old one was a bit thinner and was grey. This is white, and I don't know if this is just for the holiday festive season or if it is a permanent change, but we chose, I've got a couple of things in here. I chose the Joy Eau de Parfum Intense because I already know I like this. This is already on my wish list. So I've sprayed myself with that already. And we also picked up this, or I chose this Dior Homme Eau de Toilette for the hubster to try for something something new, something different. We have sprayed it on him. We have left it for a couple of hours. And he seems to really, really like it. So those two were a success. The next one is a little miniature lippy. This is the Couture Colour Lipstick Floral Lip Care. Long wear in colour 100 Nude Look. And I think, this is a matte finish. So I've had the 999 in this size, tester size, but I wanted to try this one. It looks a bit brown. See, it kind of looks a bit brown, but I'm going to give it a go and I'm going to try it on now. It does feel like it looks a bit brown on me. Not entirely sure how I feel about that, but I love the formula. It feels really, it feels powdery on the top, but it feels moisturised underneath. It's like witchcraft. My Deedy Boppers are wanting to run away. I'll try and keep those on point. Don't know what's going on with my hair. Anyway, I have opened up that surprise parcel that arrived today, so we're going to open that in a minute. But before we do that, we're going to go to T-Rex Turkey and the Advent calendars. It is the 17th today, isn't it? Friday the 17th. So let's do gin first. We'll do gin first because that's what we do here. We go gin first. There we go. There it is. Oh, please be good, please be good. It is clear. Ooh. Ooh. This is aviation gin. This is Ryan Reynolds gin, isn't it? I've seen the adverts. I've mostly seen Ryan Reynolds in those adverts. But the aviation gin, I'm really interested to try that. That is going to be tomorrow's, yes. For the weekend, party. Now the chocolate. 17, here we go. Top. Ooh. We have got the brownie. I think we had the brownie. It's the brownie. The lipstick is quite brown. Synergy. I think we've had the brownie before. Oh yeah, that's good. That's really good. Just checking with hubby. He said he's okay, thank you. So I'm going to eat it. That was delicious. The lipstick does pretty well on the glass as well. I was going to try out the face steamer this weekend, but then I remembered I've got a facial tomorrow that I booked about 2.5 months ago, so I'm going to go and do that. I'll take you with me. That should be exciting and fun. I am absolutely going to take my Versace tote out for her maiden voyage. Very excited about that. That's going to be a lot of fun. Can't wait to use her. So these exciting goodies that arrived by surprise today in the post are from my good friend Maria of Maria Louise Loves Luxuries. I will link her channel down below. Go and check her out. She's absolutely adorable. I love her. And this isn't the first time she sent me something, so she's very, very naughty as well. So I've got a couple of cards here. I'm going to open them. Oh, this is cool. This is a glittery, this is like that flock, but glittery. So it feels velvety, but it looks glittery. Leopard print card. It is absolutely glorious. There is a big note in there which I am going to read a little bit later. I'm not going to read that out now, but I am going to say that is my birthday card, and what's in here is going to be a Christmas card. I love it. Watch this. It says, I'm giving you a hug for Christmas. And there's Snoopy! A fold-out Snoopy with his arms outstretched. His legs, arms, legs, leg arms, outstretched. And oh, lovely, thank you. That's to me and the lion, so I will show him that. I'm going to open this. Naughty Maria, naughty girl, for sending me a pressie. I really like this tissue paper. I really like this glittery ombre effect bag. How did you know I like glittery sparkly stuff? Let's take that out. What have we got here? Ooh. I should show you really, shouldn't I? This is a little dust bag and it says Pandora on it. Now we know I have Pandora bracelets. And I know Maria loves her Pandora bracelets as well. Oh, it's really pretty. I'm trying to make out what the design is. It's like a pretty pattern. Okay, I'm going to have to try and do a close-up of this. I don't know how I'm going to manage that. But this is really gorgeous. And I am going to put it on my bracelet immediately, if not sooner. Thank you very much, Maria, you naughty little sausage, you. Edit Gwenny here. After I finished filming, I read the card, and she says in the card, I'm sending you a little surprise as you love Pandora as much as I do. It is a special edition charm from 2018. I wanted to send it to you as I have one as well. It is a globe with hearts all around called More Love. I was looking at my collection and it made me think of you and all the amazing friendships we get to make all around the world thanks to YouTube. How fantastic is that? I am now twinning with the lovely Maria on a Pandora charm. And yes, Maria, you are absolutely correct. YouTube has been amazing for making friends all around the globe. You guys are so cute. I love you. Can you please stop sending me stuff? Because you're making me all kind of... I haven't done any Christmas wrapping with you. And that is because all of the Christmas wrapping I've done so far has been to get packages out the door and on their way to the States. And most of the people that I buy presents for, we buy presents for, watch my channel. So I can't wrap theirs. But I might have a few. I might try and disguise some of the wrapping and do some wrapping with you, because I always love to watch people wrap and I love wrapping myself, so we're going to try and squeeze some of that in. And I think I'm going to leave the vlog there. We've had no kittens, have we? Not today. They've been out and about playing all day. They've got their independence now. They're independent cats. They don't need us apart from when it comes to food time, tickle time, sleep time, treat time. And then they need us. Although I think that was one of them trying to get into my room. I'll leave this vlog here and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Mwah! Chin chin!